These 20 listening traps are designed to silently lower your IELTS score, but after this video, you'll spot every single one. The not relevant anymore trap. Speakers give correct info, but then say it's no longer valid. The gym membership used to be free for students. Now it's $20 per month. Too much background story. They spend 20 seconds on a fake answer, then reveal the real one in 2 seconds. Stay alert during the transitions, not the storytelling. Shared responsibility confusion. Two people will say different parts of the answer. I'll bring the food and I'll handle the drinks. You must combine meanings across the speakers. Location zoom in trick. First they say at the university, then later, specifically, the sports center near the parking lot. Detail level matters, write specific location. Unheard R's and lost T's. Accent swallow letters. Water. Daha. Data. The overheard name confusion. Name sounds like common words. Check spelling via context. Rule changes mid audio. Policies shift. You don't need ID. Oh, actually, now you do. False lists. They list 4 things and only 2 are the answer. The rest, distractors. Pronunciation stretching. Words are elongated to hide the meaning. Soft answer delivery. Important keywords spoken quickly and quietly, then followed by loud and useless info. Trick intonation on dates. They pause just to mislead. The one word only condition. You write 2 words, automatic 0, even if correct. Always check the word limit. Reverse order of events. Audio order not equals to the question order. Long pause. A long silence does not mean the section has ended. Next answer comes suddenly. Most people miss it. Words with double meanings. Coach, bus or trainer. Host, person or place. Stuttering to confuse. If you panic, you'll miss the confirmation. Speed burst answer drop. Speaker suddenly speeds up on a key detail. The important no bait. They mention interesting info that sounds like the answer but isn't required. Ignore drama, follow the question only. Connecting words change meaning. Except, instead of, not anymore. These flip correct to wrong instantly. Final second twist. Right before the recording ends, actually, there's been a change. It's room G15. People stop listening early. Points lost. Remember, listening test isn't about how well you know English, it's about if you know their tricks and don't fall for it. Like, share, and subscribe to Pralang for more videos like this. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.